As you might imagine, here at the IDC SB Drilling Conference in San Diego, there are a number of outstanding technical advances being released, many of them with emphasis on the burgeoning shale area, as well as on deep water. And we are here today to talk with Mr. Andy Hendricks, who is the president of Schlumberger Drilling and Measurements, who's going to talk about some new innovations that their company has. Andy, thanks for taking the time to visit with me today. Appreciate it.
Chance to talk about it. We're really excited. We've commercialized two technologies at Schlumberger for drilling and formation evaluation and well placement this week. The first one is the IP-ZIG, and that's near bit sensors, inclination, gamma ray imaging to go on the end of the motor. And this particular technology is really focusing on the shales and the unconventionals in different parts of the world, of course, including North America, where everybody's busy these days. But in the newer unconventionals that are coming up in some of the up-and-coming parts of the world. Also, we've commercialized the microscope, which is one tool that gives us formation evaluation, well placement, and resistivity imaging. And originally, this was designed for the carbonates in the Middle East. We started working on this technology about a decade ago. But certainly, as the unconventionals came along, 6-7 years ago, this tool began to have application there too. So we're running it not only in the carbonates, but in the unconventionals at the same time.
That's got to be a big advance for IP-ZIG with the near bit measurements. I mean, I can remember, and there still are in the field, many applications where you're 30 feet or more back from the bit.
Exactly, and when you're drilling with a motor and an MWD tool and an unconventional reservoir, now you have all those sensors packaged right behind the drill bit in front of the motor.
Okay.
That's a big step forward.
Okay, and it's very nice that the system designed for carbonates, which I'm sure took a number of years to develop, right, can also be applicable to the shale market too.
It can, and the way it does the imaging and the way you can see the structural properties is certainly helping for the evaluation as we drill the shales as well.
Okay, with some of Schlumberger's recent mergers, now you're able to provide really, I guess you would say, a fully integrated system for downhole drilling and measurement.
We can, and it's one of the most exciting parts. So it's not just individual tools and technologies that we're commercializing here, but we have the ability at Schlumberger now to integrate the entire bottom hole assembly, from the drill bit through the directional assembly, formation evaluation, well placement tools, hole opening devices, jars, and we're even part of the joint venture with IntelliServe for wired drill pipe. So it's a great opportunity for us to pull all this together into some great technology to improve drilling.
And we have a great example of that here at the booth with a complete VHA spanning the entire section here. So, well, Andy, thanks a lot for taking the time to visit with us on drillingcontractor.org. We really appreciate your participation here. And again, if you weren't able to attend the IDC SB Drilling Conference, I hope that you'll be able to next time. It's certainly definitely the most important drilling event in the industry, and we enjoy having you all. And thank you all for tuning in to this webcast. I'm Mike Kilalia from drillingcontractor.org. Please keep drilling safely and keep turning to the right. Thanks a lot. See you next time. Bye.